You failed to hide my video, and a good thing Wubsy saves me from his dark clone, and that should be a 12 count. 3 more until this background is purple. Hey, wait a minute, that's not supposed to be there. Let me fix that. Give me a second, please. That's better. You failed to change the action fail count, and for this, that should be a 13th count. 2 more until this background is purple.
Please don't watch this, kids shouldn't see that. Instead, watch this.
Thanks, Waluigi. You failed to distract me, and the good news is, Waluigi saves me, and for this, that should be a 14th count. 1 more until this background is purple.
Leave JKCL alone.
Nope.
Agreed. Alright, let's begin with 15th action failure. You failed to stop me, and the good thing Fico saves me from Fritz the cat. And look here, this background is now purple, and for this, that should be a 15th count. 5 more until my mode is medium.